take a sec to enjoy the ride.
Hello everyone, this is Bobby here at the harbor here on Table Rock Lake. We are your Cobalt dealer for the Missouri Ozarks Lake regions. Today we've got the all-new A29 from Cobalt. It has all the right features. Let's take a closer look. Starting at the back of the boat, you can see that the boat has a nice large hydraulic swim platform with a built-in Cobalt swim step. There's also a lot of additional seating on the back of the boat with a flip forward backrest, 2 couch seats that flip up, and a large sun pad for laying out. But my favorite part about the A29 is the all-new Cobalt Splash and Stow, which conveniently stores under the back seat of the boat. It electronically deploys into the water, inflates, and then when you're done, you can tuck it right back up electronically into the back of the boat, which will eliminate the need for big, bulky, old traditional style floating mats. With a 9-foot beam, this boat has a large spacious cockpit to maximize the amount of people that you want to sit and for additional storage space that you might need. The A29 has a beautifully designed helm with 2 12-inch touchscreens, an infinity stereo head unit, and the premium audio from Cobalt. The A29 has a large head compartment with heat and air conditioning when needed. The A29 has a huge bow area with bow filler inserts and also flip down armrests. The hardtop on this boat really makes it stand out. It has an electronic extendable Bimini, also has a built-in moonroof with additional speakers built into the top. The 2 12-inch touchscreens on the A29 are very user-friendly, with one side being dedicated for instrumentation and the other side being dedicated for GPS. Thank you for checking out the all-new Cobalt A29. Again, my name is Bobby. Stop by and see us at the showroom or check us out online at theharbor.com. Hope to see you soon.